Hi, I want to talk through adding accounts from the bank feed instead of from the chart of accounts. So we already know that if we want to add a new account, we can do that under accounting, chart of accounts. But there's also a very easy way to add accounts as you're categorizing transactions. So if we go to banking here and we're within the bank feed, we can see our accounts connected across the top and all the transactions feeding in. As you're going in to categorize a transaction, like let's just take this one for example, we can just create the account right here under category. So let's say for this one that it is a print media expense, and I want to have a separate category for print media under advertising. So I can just start to even type it in, and I can say right here, add. And then I can add my account right here. So I can just say expenses, advertising and promotional, print media. I want to put it as a sub-account under advertising. And that's it. Always want to make sure you have a vendor. So I would add my vendor here and just hit add. And now my transaction has gone to this new account that I created. So really easy way to be adding accounts as needed as you go through your bank feed and categorize transactions.